The Chinese laureate composed of 10 dishes is what we're usually looking forward in every Chinese celebration. The secret to their great tasting dishes, always fresh. Ito yung una namin natatnan sa table. Ang cute. I don't know if Year of the Bunny yung celebrant. But the bunny is almond jelly. Masarap. First dish was pancit canton. Naku, gustong gusto to ng son ko. The sauce is just right. Ang sarap ng sahog, fish balls, quail eggs, and super tender pork. Weird combination but also good. California maki and lechon Macau. The kids love the maki so much and the lechon Macau super crispy. Super fresh ng shrimp. Heaven sa sarap. I'm so happy with this. At syempre, may soup. Ginseng soup daw to. Earthy, herbal, and taste so healthy. May kasama ding chicken na parang pinakuluan sa mga herbal ingredients. Very tender. And ang sarap ng duck pag bagong serve. Ang crispy ng balat and no lansa at all. Meron siyang wrapper, nilalagyan ng hoisin sauce and celery. Ayaw lang ng son ko ng celery. But this is so good. Next is abalone. Medyo busog na kami at this point. Ang nagustuhan ko dito is yung gulay sa ilalim and yung masarap na sauce. Look how silky it is. Lasang meat din siya for me. Ang sarap din ng fish na to. Sobrang fresh. Light lang din yung lasa ng sauce niya and naka-level up ng lasa yung crispy toppings. This is ground pork na may turnips naman, I think. Tapos nirarap siya sa lettuce. Sarap! Pati lettuce nila, very fresh. At ito talaga yung pinaka-favorite ko sa lahat, yung crab with butter garlic sauce. Kahit busog na ako, nakarami talaga ako nito. At syempre, my favorite part, the sipit. Super sarap ng butter garlic sauce. And dessert time. This is taro daw. Parang ginatan siya na hindi masyado matamis. Ito, gustong-gusto ng mga kids ko yung ganitong klase ng dessert. Pero sabi ng daughter ko, wala daw, bilo-bilo. The other one is mango mochi cream. Manipis lang yung mochi niya, pero makapal yung cream and mango. So good daw, sabi ng daughter ko. Look ko, the famous Century Tsukiji. Try ko yan next time. Sobrang happy sa food ng Century Seafood Restaurant.